Good morning. Today we're going to create a Sprint Enduro. We have already created an event, the Sprint tutorial. Now we're going to create a new race. So we have to select the event that we want to create the race in. We're going to create it in Sprint tutorial. And we're going to select the scoring type. Scoring type for this obviously will be Enduro. Need a race title. We'll name this Test. Track length, total track length would be good here. 35 we'll say, and we'll pick miles. So here's where we choose the type of enduro, and we're going to select a sprint. Now with the sprint enduro, we're going to have a overall starting time that the event starts. We'll say 9 o'clock in the morning. And the duration of the event. This is if you want to cut the event off at a certain time, you can select this in hours. The app will stop scoring at this time. If you don't have an endpoint and you have everybody ride all the sections, you can just set this to a large number so that it happens later on in the day. We'll put in 12. Now for the section configuration. The only thing we really have to do with sprint enduros is set the distance. There are no key times. It really doesn't matter. We have to set the distance so that we can figure out the average speed. The average speed is used to help with sorting, especially with those who have missed a lap or two during the event. We do this so that we don't have to give somebody a DNF for missing a lap. So we'll put in the distance for the first section. We'll say 1.5, and we set a repeat limit. How many times can the riders ride the section? For this tutorial, we'll put in 3. Select Add to do the next section. The distance for this one as well will be 2 miles, add. And the last, we'll say 1, add. We can go in here. Oh, an extra one popped out. Popped up. We can get rid of that by clicking on the X. 3, 3. Let's go over our settings. Everything looks to be there. And we'll save and return to dashboard. And there it is. Test. You can select it. Test. 35 miles. Sprint tutorial. Scoring mode Enduro. Enduro configuration. You can see that everything is X'd except for sprint. That's it. That's how you create a Sprint Enduro.